We'll start with opening the Excel file. So data, get data from file, Excel work. Okay. So in this particular file, we have one table which has all the course details. Okay. Then we have one where year 11 students are there. And then we have year 12. Okay. Now I want to select all of them, select multiple files and select all of them. I say transform data. Now, as you can see here, this one is course teacher lesson type, fine, no problem. It has automatically promoted the headers. This one, the header is still there. So first thing I have to do is use first row as header. Next, I have year 12. Same thing I have to do, student, gender, course. So I'll promote first row as headers. Now, if I want to combine these two, year 11 and year 12, I will go to Append queries and click on Append query. I am on year 12, so I am appending two tables. Which table? Merge queries, below that append queries. Okay. So now I have year 12 is my current file. I want to append year 11 data. Very simple. Now, if I do this, see, number of rows has gone up to 299. Can you see any problem with this? I have appended both the tables. So do you see any problem? I can't make out who is in class 11, who is in class 12. Correct? See, here there is no indication. So before I do the append query, ideally I should have a column which will indicate somehow, correct? One way to do that is I can add a custom column. Very simple. So I'll go here. I will say add column, custom column. And what will be the column name? Let's say year equal to, maybe I want to say year 12. Clear? Done. I'll repeat the same step for 11. Class 11. Now you tell me how will I do it?
Add column, custom column, then year equal to year 11.
Yes. I can rename it here or I can go next and rename also. Either way, it's Done. Simple. Now I can do my append. So I go back, either transform or I can go to home and then do the append queries. Append query, append queries or append queries as new. Append query as new means it will create a new one. Okay. So I have year 11 and I want to add year 12 to it. And I say, okay. Now see, there is one append one that has come. So year 11 is left untouched. Year 12 is left untouched. So this is append one, which I can rename it to combined data. Let's. So now if you look at my data, you will find 299 rows are there. Year 11 is there, and then here year 12 starts. Clear? Now, after I do this, so it is bringing in all the tables. Clear? Now see the beauty of Power Query. I will save this file. I'll say combined data. I'll say combined data save. So I'll close this file. Let's say later on, 1 year, 1 month, 1 week later, I go and I have new set of data. Possible? New set of data has come. So this is my students and courses file. So I will go and look at my data. Whatever data I had there, year 11, I will add students names here. Okay. Ajay Srivastav. Male. Year 12. Nandini Gupta. Female. Violet. So whether I add 1 row or 10 rows doesn't matter. So I'll close this. Now I'll reopen my combined data. If I go and look at the number of rows here, I will find 299 rows and 300 rows because one is the header. Correct? Now I'll go to data, queries and connections. So this is my combined data. What will I do?
Just refresh.
Yes. All I have to do is either this refresh or I can click on this refresh. I'll do the refresh and let's see how many rows are. Now Shalini, year 12. Let's go to year 12, year 11. That is the beauty of PowerPoint. Clear? Now, taking this a step forward, we already have appended it. Correct? Now, I want to merge it with the courses. Only the course name is coming. Yes.
আগের যে আমরা এখানে নামটা অ্যাড করলাম আজাদ বাস্তবায়নটা ওটা করে তারপর আমরা সেভ করেছি
হ্যাঁ
সেভ করেছি
সেভ না
করলে আসবে না
Okay, so I will now right click, go to edit. I go back to my Power Query editor. So I have my combined data which I want to merge. Now I will merge it with courses because I have the details in courses. So I'll merge. Merge queries. I have courses here. So this is my common column. And I say, okay. So now my table has come. From the table, I can choose what all columns I need. So course, I have teacher, I have maybe credits, assessment type. That's all. Maybe I just need these three. So I'll say okay. And my 3 columns will come. This is the difference between append and merge. Clear? So once I have done this, next step is obviously close and same thing. Again, if I add data, it will automatically pull in the